Hello, this is Loose Shirt. Welcome to Locks with Loose. I have a challenge lock from Eagle Lockpicking called Good Luck. It's another Marks cylinder. All right. What did I do with my tension wrench? Oh. All right. Okay, one is not as floppy. 2, gotta click out of that. 3, click. 4, okay. 5, doesn't feel like I need. That was 6. This is 3. I don't know. Leave that alone. Touched 1 again. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was 5. This is 4. 2 feels all right. 1. That might have been a mistake. Okay, trench trap. Probably. Let's figure out which one. Maybe 6. Yeah. All right. Tricky. You guys are tricky. Let's take it apart. Okay, a little bit of a trench right there in 6. That's what I was caught on. Undersized pin in 5. Reverse T-pin type thing. Some overset traps and serrated pins. Lovely. Oh, I see milling. Come on, man. That's interesting. It was against my better judgment to bring one up as high as I did. I couldn't remember what the key looked like. Anyway, I got lucky that I didn't take it too far. Yeah, look at all that milling. Number 4 has an undercut, so does 2. We have threading in 1, 3, and 5. And then those little traps there, little trenches, pretty cool. Gives for a wild swing. All right. Serrated. Chin. Kind of one serration. Ooh. There's a couple serrations on it. No, there isn't. Anyway. Oh, a neat spool. It's like a yo-yo. A Duncan yo-yo from yesteryear. Really sharp spool. That was 1, yeah. No. That was 6. Sorry. And another serrated. An undersized head. Oh, come on. So that'll be aggravating, 2 of those together. Let go. All right, so front. Okay, you put an X on there for me. Thank you for the front. I should look too to see if I don't think he, no, the Bible, nothing done to the Bible. Beautiful pins. You guys have been getting together, I think. You, Nick BT, and Elroy, and Eagle Lockpicking, making life tough for us, aren't you? Thank you so much for making this. I appreciate it. It's a lot of fun for me. And I appreciate you guys watching. See ya. Bye.